show you right now when the person has under overpass. This position, I really like the counter attacks when I start to end up a little bit space. When I see the person a little bit off position, I like to use counter attacks, but I'm gonna show you guys how to recover, how to replace your guard. All right, so use the same concept. Which is gonna be deeper in this position. Let's try to understand first. The under overpass, the person is gonna try to apply tripod pressure here in the shoulder. The person is gonna look to that side, right? The person is gonna start to walk towards my hips, and when the person kill my hips, the person is gonna step over and boom, here stabilize the pass. Okay, so first I have to do, I start to use my hands and my both frames in her shoulder, okay, to start to push her away from me. If I try to pull her, if I grab her, try to pull her, I'm gonna make the position worse. So I'm gonna start to push. Okay, move a little bit more to that side. Yeah. So here. So I'm gonna start to push her right here, and I'm gonna apply pressure in this leg down. Okay, this leg here, I wanna apply pressure more down. Okay. If I can, I try to step in the floor and pinch my knee, and I push here. Right. So drag, keep drag. Yeah. What I'm gonna do now, I need to free. Look, if you guys see, my legs full extend here, right? What I have to do, in my opinion, the most important is free your knee. So I'm gonna push, I'm gonna keep push as much as I could, and I'm gonna start to free my knee. When I free my knee, I start to move my hips more towards this side right here. I start to move my hips this way, to the left, right? I keep it push. Right now, the person will try to pinch the knees and put my leg back there again, extend my leg again. So I need to make sure when I get here, I start to push the biceps to put my knee out. Look, I push the knee and put my knee out. When I get here, I have the hips control. Then most of the time, the person make this grip again. Look here on the bell. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start to switch this grip to the frame of the shoulder. I'm gonna push her away with my leg, and I palm this leg. Then I recover the guard. So let's say again. So you know the person wanna try to move towards this way. I'm gonna move my hips this way. I'm gonna move my hip to the left. As I start to push, this leg start to go heavy in the floor and start to move my hips this way. And I push the shoulder. Now I release the pressure on my knee. But my knee here is not enough, because if I stay here, the person is gonna find a way to pinch the knees and bring my leg back there again, right? My knee is out, I keep the frame all the time. And look how I use my back in the floor. I don't keep like this, look. Keep my back and my forehead in the floor. No, the back of my head in the floor. I keep push. Now this frame here, I slide more close to the biceps to free my knee. I push her arm and I put my knee out. When I get here, I start to step in the hips. My partner's gonna get this grip. I start to push her more away, and I palm my leg. And I'm back to the guard.